So if you see this formula, so meanwhile, so y minus 20 equals to 3.7 x minus 3, y minus 20 equals to 3.7 x minus 11.1. So y equals to 20 minus 11.1 plus 3 point xy. That is y equation. Y equation is 8.9 plus 27 by the y equals to 8.9 plus 3.7x. Then hence the two regression lines are x is how much we got, x equals to minus 1.52 plus 0.226y. So what is y here? 8.9 plus 3.7x. So here we'll see the grouped data formula, but that is not what much important as per your exam. After discussing the formula, we'll see some other problems which are important as per your exam schedule. So we'll see the grouped data formula, and we'll work out some other problems in regression. Yeah, this is a formula for grouped data, Bx and Byx. If you see, so Bxy is nothing but sigma Fdx bar into dy bar minus sigma Fdx bar into sigma Fdy bar by n by sigma Fd sigma Fdy bar square minus sigma Fdy bar whole square by n into Ix by Iy. Similarly, we need to do for b by x also. So here what is Ix and what is Iy means class intervals of x variables and class intervals of y variables. So that is important for understanding what is Ix and Iy. So we see some other problems which are related to you, like from actual mean, assumed mean, and observation method. We'll see some problems so that we can complete the regression by today itself, uh, and we'll start with new chapter tomorrow. Yeah, we'll I'll share a problem with you where we need to find out two regression equations. So here the question is find out the regression equation. Find out the regression equation. Uh, they have given us x and y. X and y. X is 6, 2, 10, 4, 8, and y is 9, 11, 5, 8, and 7. Here what we need to find out? We need to find out two regression equation. That is x on y and y on x. Yeah, this is the problem shared with you. So here we need to find out what are regression equations. That is two equation, that is x on y as well as y on x. So x is 6 to 10, 4, 8. What is y? 9, 11, 5, 8, and 7. So similarly, we need to find out what is the total of x and what is the total of y. After finding out that, we need to find out what is x bar and y bar. So x bar means, see, what is the total of x? 30. 30 by 5 is 6. So x bar is 6. And what is y? Y bar, y total is 40. 40 by 5 is 8. So we got what is x bar and what is y bar. Now we need to find out what is small x and small y. How we will find out small x? X minus x bar values. And for small y, y minus y bar. See the table. So yeah, if you observe the table, we got x square, y square, and xy. So we are aware like how we got these values. So now we need to do what is equation x on y and what is equation y on x. Yeah, it's very simple for x on y and y on x. That is, by x on y, we have x minus x bar, which is equals to bxy into y minus y bar. So how we need to derive bx values means, here what is bxy formula? Sigma xy by sigma y square. So here what are the x sigma xy values? We got minus 26. Minus 26 divided by sigma y square. So sigma y square is 20 here. So we got minus 1.3 as bx value. So in next line, hence x minus x bar is 6. So we are replacing x minus 6 equals to bxy value is minus 1.3 into y minus y bar. What is y bar? Y bar is 8. So we have substituted in the formula. Hence x minus 6 equals to minus 1.3 y plus 10.4. So whereas x equation will be 16.4 minus 1.3y. So if you see the equation, give a glance on that so that you are clearly understood. So how we got the x equation. So coming to regression equation y on x. Yeah. It is also same similar to y. Y minus y bar equals to byx into x minus x bar. So byx equals to sigma xy by sigma x square. So sigma xy value is minus 26 and sigma x square is 40. So minus 26 divided by 40 we get minus 0.65. So what is x bar 8? No, y bar 8, x bar is 6. So y minus 8 equals to minus 0.65 into x minus 6. Simplifying, y minus 8 equals to minus 0.65x plus 3.9. Y equals to minus 0.65x plus 3.9 plus 8. There it comes y equals to 11.9 minus 0.65x. So this is the equation for y. So look out this problem. We'll see some other problems. Yeah, if you see the next problem, this is third one. Find the regression lines for the data. So whereas x and y is given to you, Yeah. So this is the problem for that question. So say just give a glance how we got these values. So x values are 15, 20, 16, 14, 10. Y values are 35, 40, 38, 32, and 30. Similarly, we need to do for see this problem. So similarly, we need to find out both regression x on y and regression y on x. So simply we need to form the table, find out the table, and we need to substitute in the formula as we done in previous problems. We'll see some other problems also so that we can wind up this unit by today itself. So just look out the problem. So we have found x and y. So after this problem, we have some other problems to give a look so that from tomorrow we can start with time series. In previous problem, there was a question, fourth question. Yeah, I would like to share with you the fourth question. Yeah, look out this Fourth one, obtain the equation of lines of regression for the data given. So x and y data is given to you. Similarly, like other problems, we need to find out what is total of sigma x, I mean total of x, total of y. Then finding out what is dx and dy, then dx square, dy square, and dx into dy. So just give a glance so that the continuation part will look up. Yeah, look out the problem. Fourth, we have done the table. Then now we need to put it in equation form, y on x and x on y. So y minus y bar equals to b by x into x minus x bar. So here what is y bar is 12, and what is yeah, dxy is 0.95. So y x minus x bar is 5. So y equals to 0.95x minus 4.75 plus 12. So which is equals to y equals to 0.95x plus 7.25. So that is the first equation. So next what we need to do, we need to find out what is x on y. X on y is x minus x bar equals to bxy equals to y minus y bar. So here what is x minus x bar? X bar is 5, bxy is 0.95, y minus 12. So y equals to x equals to 0.95x minus 11.4 plus 5, which is equals to 0. So which is equals to x equals to 0.64 plus 0.95 y. So see the fifth problem. Calculate the regression coefficient for the following data given below. X and y. X values 86475, and see y values. Yeah. So here we need to find out what is bxy and byx. That's all. So here, as usually, is mandatory, like finding out what is total of x and what is the total of y. Then similarly, dx square, dy square, then dx into dy. So that is common for finding out regression coefficient. So that tables we need to do as usual. There is no exemption for that. But after doing that, we need to find out what is bxy and byx and dxy. So first we need to find out what is byx, that is sigma dx into dy by sigma dx square. So which is equals to 12 by 10, that is 1.2 is that is your answer. Then bxy. So sigma dx into dy by sigma dy square, which is equals to 12 by 30, that is equals to 0.4. So if we see the sixth problem, obtain the obtain the line of regression of y on x for the following data. So here they have given us age and blood pressure, that is age is x, blood pressure is y. So these are the values given to us, that is 66, 38, 56, 42, 72, 36, 43. I mean, sorry, 63, 47, 55, and 45. And y values are 145, 127, 124, 147, 125, 160, 118, 149, 128, 150, and 124. So similarly, same we need to do. We need to find out what is total of x, what is the total of y, then finding out x minus x bar, then finding out y minus y bar, then finding out what is dx square, then finding out dx into dy. So that is common. Yeah. If you see, yeah, this is the problem. Continuation. So what is sigma, sorry, byx, sigma dx dy by sigma dx square. So which is equals to 1525 by 1368. So that is equals to 1.115. Whereas y minus regression equation, that is y on x. So that is y minus y bar, which is equals to byx into x minus x bar. So what is y here? Y minus y bar. Y bar is nothing but we have 137. So y minus 137, which is equals to 1.115 into x minus, what is x bar? X bar is 52 we got here. So y equals to 1.115, x equals to 57.98 plus 137. So which is equals to y equals to 11.115x plus 79.02. So when x equals to 50, what happens? So we have a equation, that is y equals to 1.115x plus 79.02. So we are replacing this x by 50. So we'll see what will happen if x is replaced by 50. So y equals to 1.115 into 50 plus 79.09. So that is equals to 55.75 plus 79.02. So y equals to 134.77. What we got. This is when x is 50. So hope that you have understood what is regression, regression coefficient, and what are different types in regression equations. The four types, that is taking from actual means, taking second one taking from assumed means, and taking from observation method, and last one is grouped data. So we have done some problems where you can easily understand for the exam purpose as well as the knowledge purpose. So tomorrow class we will discuss time series. What is time series and how time series is calculated, and what are the methods we have in that. So we'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you everyone.